This video is on section 4.3, your My Math Lab assignment number 26. We're going to look at graphing a logarithmic function. If we were to graph y equal log base 2 of x, the first thing I would do would be to rewrite this function. We're going to change this logarithmic statement into an exponential statement. Now, if you remember in the last video, we did this. Remember, you're going to start at the base, roll under the equal, and back across the equal. So rewriting that, that's going to be 2 raised to the y power is equal to x. Always start at the base, go under the equal, raised to that power, equals back across the equal. Now I'm going to set up a t-chart for this, for my x and y. Now this time, since I'm raising 2 to the y power, I'm going to put in values for y. So let's first try 0. If I put y to be 0, then 2 to the 0 power is going to equal 1. If I let y be 1, then I have 2 to the first power, and that's going to be 2. We'll go another. Let's go 2. That would be 2 to the second power, which is equal to 4. Now you're going to get as many of these numbers as it takes for you to recognize the shape. We'll go with a negative. Let's try -1. That would be 2 to the -1. Now remember, to change a negative exponent to a positive, you're going to change positions. So that would be 1 over 2 to the first, or 1 over 2. One more. Let's try -2. That would be that would be 2 raised to the -2. Now if you change positions, that's 1 over 2 to the +2, which is 1 over 4. Now you won't need this many points, but let's take a look on the graph. That would be 1, 0, that's that point. Now we would have 2, 1, that's that point. 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. Now the others are going to really be estimations. I'm going to go over a half and down 1. I'm going to go over a fourth of a block, a very small amount, and down -2. And then if you sketch this graph, you're going to see something like this. And that's the graph of the logarithmic function.